Imagine that.
I'll get it.
How? Lucky Molly has a helicopter.
People take planes, they take balloons, or take rockets, but if they want to fly straight up, they take a helicopter with big blades called rotors shaped like wings on a plane that lift the helicopter when they spin. Helicopters flying in. When the pilot goes up or down or forwards or backwards, a control stick will tilt the blades. To make it move right or left, she pushes pedals on the floor, 'cause that's the way the helicopter's made. Standing still in the air, taking off and landing almost anywhere. Mountain rescues that planes can't do. Without landing, they'll pick up and drop things to you. Helicopters flying in the sky.
Applecopters sure come in handy.